Year 12 Maths Methods, how to sketch a graph of a square root function. Looking at the rule of y, we've got a negative outside the square root function, and so this means that the shape of this graph is going to be in this form. We then need to work out the coordinates of the starting point. The x-coordinate is found when you let whatever's underneath the square root sign equal 0 and solve for x, and so this is going to be x is equal to -4. The y-coordinate is going to be the constant that's added or subtracted to the square root sign, and so this is going to be y is equal to 6. Knowing the coordinates of the starting points and the shape of the graph, we can tell that it's going to have both x and a y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0 and then solve for y, and so if you do this, you're going to get y is equal to 2. For the x-intercept, we let y is equal to 0 and then solve for x, and so doing the algebra, you'll get x is equal to 5. And now on the axis, start with marking the coordinates of the starting point, marking the x and y-intercepts, and finally sketching a reflected square root graph passing through these points, giving us the graph of y.